Time check 7:26. Exactly 3 hours since we had our stopover there in Naga area. We are now here in Ginayangan, Quezon. We just have our dinner break. Kuya, ano nga nino yung Ginayangan? Ginayangan, Quezon? Ginayangan? Hi there guys and gals, good evening. Happy New Year to each every one of you. Hi papi. Papi. Happy New Year papi.